Bye. Okay, I must say this is pretty awesome. You got your charging cable, magnetic top. This is cool. It's also magnetic in the bottom there. You pull everything out. Look at this. This is an amazing design. You got your little logos right on here. And you need one. You kind of pull it out and lift up. Put it back down. Here's your actual screwdriver. But let's see. You won't want to go like... Oh, actually... Yeah, you won't want to go like really hard shaking it. But they stay in very well. Like you can spin it very fast. This one... Actually, that's the same... I think that's the same one. But this is nice. I love this. Alright, so... Charger right there. Let's go ahead and let's pick one. I like with bigger fingers, it's easy to pull them out still. So what you do is you just put it in. There's a magnet in there that kind of holds it in place. And then bottom, so if you press down it goes one way, press up it goes the other way. Comes with a nice little light. You got your settings here. Okay, so 1, 2, or 3. So that's your speed setting. Okay, so it auto goes off when it gets tight as well. Okay, so that's your tightness setting. Okay, that's cool. Overall, guys, this is awesome. This is going to make a great gift. But I'm keeping this one for myself. We'll get another one for a Christmas gift. And I love that you just put it right back in. Place it right down in. Just like that. I love this. I love this.